Uh, Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce QuestNest. First of all, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new here, Salesforce QuestNest is a place where you can discover, learn, and master the Salesforce concept step by step in a very simple way and as well as in a practical way. Okay, so this is my first video, so please excuse me if I make any mistakes. Okay, and if you would like to know more about the Salesforce related contents and content, so please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you will get the further updates as well. Okay, so now without wasting a time, let's get it started. Okay. So this is a day one of Salesforce Order Management, a simple overview. So now in today's video, I'm going to give you a simple overview of the Salesforce Order Management System. Simply we'll call it as an OMS, nothing but a Salesforce OMS. Okay. So no need to worry. It is not a technical. So it's a very basic. This is a very basic video. So my aim or my goal is in today's session is to help you understand uh, the some basic concepts like what is OMS, why it is important, and how it will be useful in the real-time businesses. Okay, and how to implement this in the real-time projects. Though this last point we will see it in the later point of time. Okay, so this video is mainly for the beginners, nothing but who wants to start learning this Salesforce OMS. Okay, and I'll also tell you why I planned this Salesforce Order Management. Why not other clouds? Means even if I go to the Google documentations or even if I go to the YouTube's, right? So if I search in YouTube, there is no much content related to the OMS. So if someone want to learn the OMS in detail, so I think this is the right place for them. Okay. Uh, yeah, so let me go to the next slide then. Okay, so the Salesforce OMS overview, like why it matters and how it will works. So before jumping into the detail, let me quickly tell you what we are going to cover in this video. Okay, so first I'll explain why I personally choose the Salesforce OMS. Okay, and then we'll see what exactly the OMS is. Okay, and we'll see how what are the business problems or businesses will face, what kind of scenarios or what kind of problems that businesses will face, and like when they are not using the Salesforce OMS or normal OMS, and we'll also see how the Salesforce OMS will work, like its key capabilities and why the business really need it in today's businesses. And also at the last we'll see in today's session, at the last we'll see what we are going to discuss in the next video. Okay, so let's start with the first most common question, why I choose Salesforce OMS. Okay, so honestly speaking, when I started learning the Salesforce OMS, right, as I told you just now, just sometimes back, I have noticed that many people talk about the Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, but the OMS is not explained anywhere clearly. So even if you go to the Google or when you come to this YouTube, and if you search for the Salesforce Order Management or even normal order management. If you search for even normal order management system, hardly you will get one or two videos, and even those are just basic videos where you will where they'll just explain the end-to-end flow, nothing but just like a kind of demo, but no one will explain you in detail. Okay, so that's why that is my aim. Okay, and yeah, so when it comes to the real world projects, OMS will play a very important role. Okay, and but it is not but there are no much resources, even though if it is very important in this real time businesses, it is not so there is no much content with respect to this in anywhere. Okay, so that's why I'm planning this, and it's a once again it's a very powerful tool where it will connect the orders from the multiple e-commerce websites or offline stores. We can connect with an API. And also we will see how to integrate the SSCC Salesforce website to the order management system, and also how to integrate Salesforce B2B. It's a native integration, nothing but both are in the same platform. We'll see how the data will flow from B2B website to OMS, or from web or from OMS to B2B. And also we will see about the inventory management systems, and how we will connect the shipping providers, how we will connect the payment providers, and what kind of interactions will be there between the OMS and other third party systems. Okay. And also we will see like other integrations as well as and when it is needed. And yeah, so the best part is it is built on the Salesforce platform, so which is very scalable. So you already, if you are already having a knowledge on the Salesforce platform, or if you have already worked on any other clouds like sales, service, or experience, right? So it will be very easy for you, because here also there will be a same object, same here there will be like same like other clouds. Here also there will be the objects, fields, records, permission sets, profiles, users, almost everything is same. Okay, so if you're already having a Salesforce knowledge, then it will be an add-on for you to start learning the Salesforce OMS. Okay, so we'll go to the next slide then. Next one is, what is OMS? Okay, so now we will understand what exactly the OMS is. So OMS stands for Order Management System, right? So think of OMS as the central brain of all our orders. So here you can see an OMS considered like a central brain. Okay, orders can come from e-commerce website, right? Or from marketplaces, nothing but the Amazon, Myntra, or any e-commerce website like Meesho or Ajio. All these are marketplaces, right? The orders may come from marketplaces or e-commerce or from the stores, right? Okay, so once the order come, then there will be an inventory management, nothing but each websites. So all the websites will have the different inventory locations, right? Whether it is a store, offline store, or whether it is a warehouse or retail store, there may be multiple inventories, nothing but multiple warehouses, right? And also there will be a shipping, nothing, there will be a shipping integration, nothing but they will take care of for delivering the products to the customer. And then there will be a payment integration to take care of the payment integration, to take care of to capture the amount or to refund the amount, or in some cases if business want to give some discount because of there may be delay in some delivering, or there may be some damage in the order. So in that case there is a chance that the business team, the business can give some discount to the customer for the satisfaction. So for in that cases we need to refund the amount, nothing but we need to refund the amount, that respective amount to the customer. So in that case we will use the payment integrations, and then ERP integration. So like to send any updates, like for example if we want, generally the ERP is like an database where we will where it will maintain the product data, customer data, order data, many informations, right? So if we want to inform relate anything related to the orders, or if we want to, generally the ERP will have the inventory data as well. So if we want to fetch the inventory data, or if there are any further interactions, for those purpose we will integrate the ERP. Okay, so the OMS connects with the commerce, payment, inventory, nothing but the warehouses, shipping providers, and then ERP, and then payment. So there may be multiples. Okay, so these are the basic. So that's why so here I'm calling it as a central brain. Okay, so now I hope you got an idea of what is OMS. Okay, so now we'll see what problems that generally the business will fail if they are not using the OMS. Okay, so without OMS, orders are managed in multiple systems, which create confusion. So, like for example, even without OMS, the order can be managed like offline. Sometimes the Sometimes businesses will also track it in offline, completely offline. So that is a very hectic process, and even we can't able to manage this orders properly. And yeah, so that is the reason. So there are so many other problems that businesses will face because there will be no proper tracking. Suppose if someone want to view the orders, or if I want to get the report, or if I want to see the reports or dashboards regarding the orders, how many orders are fulfilled, how many orders are cancelled, how many orders are returned, what was the reason, what are the different types of payment modes, from which system we are getting more orders, to track it, or to track this kind of informations, right? So we need an one system to take care of this order management. Okay, so that is what the order management system is. Okay, so yeah, so this is about some brief on the problem. And yeah, so coming to the last, so now we'll talk about what happens. Now we discussed about some basic concepts. I think now it will be now I think you can able to understand it better. Okay, so now that's what I planned it in the today's session. Okay, thank you for watching this video of the day one of the Salesforce OMS. In the next video we will go deeper. So in the next video, first we will start with the Salesforce order management system flow, end to end flow, like from getting the orders from the e-commerce website, okay, to till the order delivery, till the return, cancel, or till all the fulfillment flow. So first we'll discuss with that, and then we'll also see about the inventory management system, nothing but a brief on the omnichannel inventory management system, and some more concepts. So if you find this video helpful, please like this video, share it, and subscribe to the Salesforce QuestNest. And if you are having any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments, or reach out to me to the email ID that is displayed in the screen. Yeah. Okay. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.